I'm not even recognizing the kit.
Oh, it's Japanese, all in Japanese writing.
I'm gonna see how, like, instead of going, it thinks it's going up, but it's backwards, so it's harder again.
50%.
Look at that wing wants to, you see that? He wanted to go and he was fighting. Oh, look at it, back it up. Yeah.
Right.
About left and right rudder?
Yeah, but that's fine.
What were you doing right though? Flying out. There you go. That's it. That's it.
50%.
Whoa, the wind picks up the minute I want to land. The biscuit.
Woo! Turn into that wind, baby.
50%. 0.
Hey. Woo! Look at that. I should have filmed that.
It's from the north, so you got it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Your AS3X on this is like into the wind where it just kind of just drops and turns like it's just not going anywhere.
Well, the tailwind like it is.
Up. The whole plane's just doing this and raising.
Give me some low passes.
You got like what? 5% throttle? Nothing. It's right there.
25%.
I mean, those 3 pieces of pie yesterday did it. All right, it's the pie. You know, and started eating and drinking sodas and stuff. PJ Systems. I don't like building.
Well, Levante landed nice.
Yeah, I did. That's why I was like,
Yeah. And I was like about to touch it. I was like, which way does rudder go? All that damn basically, money. I'm giving it to him cheaper than if he was to go buy another F-15.
That's whole problem. How are you selling?
And I got one.
I mean, you're like a...
That's nice.
Time remaining 1 minute.
This wind
all
is
right,
keeping it.
get your head out of my way, please.
You should get it.
Sure, the wind goes down for you.
It sure did.
I know, what the fuck?
It did. Look at that. It sure
It's not
did.
even fair, Johnny.
It just dropped.
It's not even fair, Johnny. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. It dropped.
Oh, now it's gonna pick
It's,
up. And
it's
shift
all
back.
got there, sir. Okay.
No, it's coming back.
Here comes the wind.
Yeah.
Thank you, big guy.
You got a button on there to control the wind?
Well, how come that's not blowing all over the fucking place when you take off? Oh, it's a jet.
0.
And it's over here.
And it's no gear. One is easier to fix if there's something wrong.
Last weekend.
Yeah, well, if you're jiggling it all over the place when you first plug it in.
Limited time remaining 2
If you
minutes.
slid your battery over and accidentally unplugged it or got it loose on one of your connectors, it won't work, obviously. It sounds so crazy with the wind in there. I'm like whining.
50%. 50%.
It's like, which way did it fall? Let's elevator a little bit. Yep. Does it dip down or go up? Do that shit close to the ground.
0 throttle. 25%. 50%.
Over. That's a nice turn. That was intentional, right?
Yep.
Time remaining 1 minute. Percent. 25. 0 throttle. 25%. 0 throttle.
Mine
0
only
throttle.
kicks the timer off at
25%.
Why you? So you set the timer for 10%.
10%.
Yeah, I don't want to
0
do that.
throttle. 25%. Gear up.
Ooh.
It don't take any effort to get in the air
The
either.
wind's affecting that
I
baby.
love that
Not
baby
that
turn.
F-22. Yeah.
Yeah,
Speed limit
it doesn't
disengaged.
have as big as wing.
Yeah. Well, I would think it would cut through. Now see, that's the problem. That it's going. Coming here, going out that other way. Even when I'm flying.
Put the bifocals on, man.
Do they make trifocals?
Try again, focals.
Binocular glasses.
Yeah, you gotta go binoculars. I just fly close there.
Fit 0.
My grade, my 64 twin.
25 per 50%. Time remaining 4 minutes.
I'll go from that end.
50%.
Yeah. Look at it.
I can nice it.
Oh!
I just keep rolling.
Yeah. Woo!
G limit disengaged.
On days
Fit
like
0.
this, where one gust of wind,
50%.
that shit's upside down.
Okay, I'm gonna try something I haven't tried. Let's try this.
What? Upside down.
All
All right. That was nice. You have to have much down pressure?
Nope, not really.
Do you have that plane
Fit 0.
HCG right where it says?
Yeah.
25 50%. 25%. 50%.
Now I just love this plane. It's got like a 5-minute flight time.
5%.
Yeah, do it more.
50%.
When I learned how to fly upside down.
It's all of them.
Time remaining 1 minute.
If
25
the
per
dirty looks
0.
super good, I might just land it.
Ooh, oh, that last thing. See, that's what.
Some strong gear though.
It handled it pretty good.
My car
50%.
Yeah, okay. What does this thing
G
do? I
limit
have to
disengaged.
ask. I
Time
know somebody
remaining
would
4
know.
minutes.
I got one just in case.
It's white, the one I see, $89.
Mine is black.
Okay.
But it's literally
The big, that's what it is.
it may be this thick, and it's